Hey everyone, this is Danny, and I'm here to demonstrate on how to install the latest Angular CLI version onto your Ubuntu 20.0.4 LTS system. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up the terminal. I'm going to type in the command ng-version to see if the Angular CLI is installed on my system. And as you can see, you're going to get some cannot be found. It must be installed. So I'm going to run a script that I saved in a file, but it's actually just one command to install the Angular CLI. And as you can see from the cat command, it's just going to be, I believe, sudo npm install -g at angular/CLI. And so all I have to do is run bash and run that script, and which just contains that one command, and it will install. So as you can see, it's installing right now. The reason why I saved it in a script and not just ran it, just with one command on the terminal is that sometimes I like to create different VMs and, test different, different code, services, whatever kind of templates I'm working on. And if I have to whip up a VM, you have to install Angular on there. So all I have to do is just run this one script, and I don't have to memorize any commands. And Angular is constantly changing. They, are on a release cycle for 6 to every year. They have updates, 6 months every year. And as you can see, the Angular CLI outputted 10.0.4, and that's the latest that you can get from this command from Angular's website itself. And we're going to run that command ng-version. As you can see, the command actually outputs something, and you can see the Angular CLI is 10.0.4, and that, I believe, is the latest you can get. The Angular IO/docs website does have 10.0.7. I don't know why we don't have 10.0.7, but this is the latest version that is allowed to be downloaded. And I do have that script handy for future use at my GitHub repository, Medina App Studios, and you can just download it. And like I said, if you use VMs, you can just run it, and that's it. You don't have to memorize any commands. Thanks for watching. Comment, let me know if you guys like this video, and subscribe for future notifications. Thank you.